Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to calculate the percent of grand total in Power BI. Let us have a look at our data model. Our data model is a simple data model having two-dimension tables connected to our fact table employee data in a one-to-many relationship. Let's have a look at the contents of the employee data table. The employee data table is the details of all the active employees in our organization. So we have details for them like employee code, department, gender, designation, grade, and many more details for them. Now, as we want to calculate the percent of grand total on the head count, we need to have a measure which calculates the total head count. We have already pre-created a measure for the same. If you see, this measure counts the employee code column in the employee data table. As each of our employees has a unique employee code, this measure will give us a distinct count of the employees. Let us create a matrix visual. Let us add department on the rows. Below the department, let us add the gender, and in the values, let us add the headcount measure which we had created. Let us expand this measure. If you look at the visual right now, we have the head count by the respective departments, then split by the gender, and here we have the overall grand total. What we mean by percent of grand total is that we want percentage of all these values on this grand total, which is 32977. To do that, we need to remove the filters both on the department and also on the gender. Let us create a new measure to do the same. We will be creating a new measure. We would be naming it as grand total. We use calculate. We use the head count measure which we have seen just now. We use the all. First, we use department to remove all the filters on the department. Next, we use all, and then we use gender. And we approve this measure. The next step is to create another visual. So we create a matrix visual. Again, on the rows, we add the department, then we add the gender. And in the values, let us add this grand total. We would once again expand this measure. If you see now, we see 32977 repeated across. This 32977 is our grand total. The next step of calculating the percent of grand total is dividing this value by this value. Let us do that. We would be creating a new measure. We would be writing percent of grand total. We would use divide. We would divide the head count by the grand total measure, and we approve this. Let us format this as a percentage and also round it off to 0. Let us move our visuals over here. We would be just aligning it. Let us duplicate this visual and remove the grand total from here. And here we would be adding the new measure which we have created, which is the percent of grand total. If you look at this visual right now, we get 100% here, and all these percentage values are based on the percent of grand total. That is the head count divided by the overall grand total. And in this way, we get the percent of grand total. If you add all these values up, you will get 100%. I hope you understood how to calculate the percent of grand total in Power BI. There are other videos in which you can learn how to calculate the percent of row total, percent of column total, and percent of parent row total. They are given in the cards above and in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.